Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It is, well, it's cloudy outside today. Let's see what it says, man. It says 85 degrees and mostly cloudy. It's not a very warm 85 degrees. We've got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. So close, Chris, man. It was very close, guys, because I was actually third in my own live stream, and I knew when I set it up. So somehow these dudes are really, really fast. Hood Bro, third in the chat. What's going on, Chris? Dark Bro, Mr. De Silva, how you doing? Yes, we can look at Dogecoin. We got Kenneth in the chat, Gorilla Invictus, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out real quick before we jump into it. We have got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $5.11 right now, closing the day at $5.12. AMC was at almost $9 per share after hours on Friday. It is currently touching $5.06. Getting ready to fall back down through that $5 mark. Would not be surprised if it falls down through after hours here. Touching $5.06, getting a nice little green candle into the close there. But, man, getting hit hard today, down 12.5%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 782 points per coin, up 2% on the day today. GameStop, 22.85, sitting at 22.78 after hours. Tesla, man. Tesla getting hit very, very hard into the close. My goodness. And to think, I thought about getting some puts at the 269. Didn't do it. And those would have been very nice. Nearly doubling in price over the close there. We can look at them if you guys want to. But they were trading at about 260. And $2.60 that is for the 260 puts. We're trading at about, or it might have been the 265s, trading at about $2.60. I don't know what they're at right now, but they're probably sitting close to $5 or something, probably doubling in price. Tesla might be bouncing back after hours. Got to see what goes on there. Touching 263.80, back up to 265 already. NASDAQ finishing pretty well today, closing 0.60% higher, 14,144 and 0.56. So NASDAQ doing very well to continue its recovery, man. Look at this ascending trend line since the beginning of 2023. Nothing but gains, 40+% gains, by the way. Looking beautiful there. AMC, tough day. GameStop, man, and after hours down, 5.11. GameStop sitting at 22.85. Dogecoin, man. Dogecoin soaring 10% today. We'll look at it in a second here, Ray. Ethereum sitting at 18.58. Shiba Inu coin 7.82. Bitcoin 29.226. Mullen Auto 13 cents. Sundial $1.37, up a little bit after hours. The SPY 455.41. BBIG $4.38. Netflix 427.70, and after hours down just slightly. Hycroft Mining sitting at 46.5 cents. QQQ, sitting at 378.78. Ape $1.77. MPW 1040. Tesla 265.28. Let's see what happens there. And Novix 1902, PID 1848, and Joby up slightly on the day today, $8.27. Let's see if we get anybody else in the chat, and then we will look at Dogecoin. Pika is in the chat. What's going on, Pika? Hopefully you're having a great day today. Very glad to have you in here. And you're just gonna get you're just like that for that ad. And you're gonna just like what? You're gonna just like for that ad. I know I missed something, but yes. Whatever you're saying, Kenneth, I believe it, man. We got Dark Bro. Tim, what's going on, Tim? Glad to have you in here. Let's check out Dogecoin real quick and see what we got going on, because Dogecoin is spiking up nicely on this new Twitter platform, this X app or whatever it is that it's going to end up being called and end up being known as. If Twitter goes by the wayside and the X Super app or whatever the idea is here, people are believing that Dogecoin is going to be heavily integrated into this app because of Elon Musk's love for Dogecoin. So right now, if the previous technical analysis I have continues to stand on Dogecoin, it is looking good right now. We do have, this was a support level on the way down, and the upper end of these candles at around 8.1, 8.2 cents could lead to some resistance. That is exactly where we are right now. 8.1, 8.2 cents, And that comes from this little level right here on the upper end of these candles and the upper end of these candles right here. The last time that Dogecoin broke out, you know, I don't know if this was on Twitter news or what this was back here at the end of March, beginning of April. So April 3rd. If you guys know, I don't know if Elon officially took Twitter in April or what this deal was, but Dogecoin breaking out of this technical range right here at 8.2 cents, shot up almost immediately to 10.5 cents. Found some resistance in that 10.5 cent area. They can go back and be dated back to there, and fell back down pretty quick. And then continued the trend line that it was on until it found some resistance again in the 9 cent level. So knowing that this is a pretty significant level of resistance over the last, I would say, year or so, it might not be easy for Dogecoin to break up through this 8.2 cent mark. If it does, I would imagine we can touch 9 cents or go all the way up to 10 cents before getting into other levels of resistance that we would have to be concerned about breaking through. So Dogecoin right now really sitting with major resistance levels around every cent. So 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. If it breaks 10 cents, you do have a little area in here at the upper 10s. But beyond that, man, you know, the last couple times that it broke 10 cents, we had a nice rally. So I'm not going to sit here and get terribly excited about seeing 15, 20 cents again and doubling your money in Dogecoin. But if it does break this red line, this 10 cent line, Doge could have a nice spike up back to that even 15 cent level if it doesn't get caught up at 11. So Dogecoin actually looking pretty healthy right now, and it's mostly on news of Elon Musk and this new X app, or I mean it's the same app, but this new Twitter redesign or rebrand. Hello, Pika. I was first to say it earlier. Yes, you were. Chris did say hello to Pika, and Pika wasn't even here during the morning stream. Do you know you're going to get a dislike for that ad? Oh, no, please. I don't know what ad you had to watch, Ken, but I hope you do not click the dislike button because of that. 14th in the chat. Very nice, Kombu, Dark Bro. We got everybody in here looking good right now. 86 degrees and mostly cloudy outside. What's it looking like where you guys are at right now? Because 86 and sunny is actually pretty hot. You're going to be sweating and so on. But 86 and cloudy, it's actually not that bad. So just let me know what you guys got going on in terms of weather today. Make me feel a little bit better about mine. Hey, Clay, what is it going to take for major media to start talking about crypto? I think if major media talks about crypto, it'll go through the roof. Yeah, Giovanni, man. So I do agree that would really help it catch on mainstream. Okay, if my mom starts asking like which cryptos she should buy or whatever, then I'm kind of like, oh well, this is really hitting home, and people that are now getting saturated, they're going to be wanting to buy crypto. So when that happens, I agree with you. It could absolutely go through the roof. What would cause media to talk about it, dude? I really don't know. Okay, media to me is so extremely biased. I don't even care when media starts talking about it. When the media starts talking about cryptocurrency, it might be like the downfall of cryptocurrency, because nobody just discusses something anymore. Everything you see in the media is like propaganda. And I'm talking on like both sides of the fence, man. Everything you see is to create engagement. And the best engagement is the most controversial. Because it gets people, not excited, but like it gets people, dude, I don't know, upset almost. And when people are upset, they share their opinions. So I don't know if I really want the media to come in and destroy it. But I think when the media does begin to discuss it, it will be in a very controversial way to create that engagement that they love. Logged into MetaMask yesterday, my balance said 200K. Woohoo! 200K whale coin, or $200K dollars, man. Let's see, coming here. 105 heat index, where I'm at in Texas. JJ, man, diamond is melting. AMC actually kicking back up a little bit after hours right now. Isn't it funny that after hours trading has been pretty supportive of AMC over the last couple of days? It's the regular hours trading where AMC keeps getting beat. So moving from 506 to 520 very quickly. It is only a 1.27% gain, but nonetheless, it's like the largest gain we had all day in AMC today. The largest and quickest gain. So AMC actually looking pretty good after hours right now. We're definitely going to keep our eyes on it. What happened to King Mamba? I feel like he hasn't been around. Yeah, you know what? I don't know where King Mamba is. I haven't seen him in the chat in quite a while. Who knows what's going on up there in Alaska? So I know King Mamba was from Alaska. Maybe all the snow melted, and now he's finally able to get out and about and doesn't have to be stuck on the live stream all day. 94 and sunny. Dang, Kenneth, that actually sounds like some pretty good weather, man. Thoughts on WorldCoin, the Indian, China, or whoever coin? Yeah, so I do have some thoughts on WorldCoin because a lot of people were asking about it earlier, so I looked it up a little bit in between live streams. And I'm sure people will come in and continue to ask about it. We can continue to talk about it throughout the stream here. But for those of you that don't know what WorldCoin is, I think it's... What's the guy's name? Is it Sam Altman or something? I don't know what his name is. It's the guy that like created ChatGPT. Okay? OpenAI and ChatGPT. He's got this idea for a WorldCoin. And the idea stems from being able to differentiate yourself from artificial intelligence. Now, if you cannot differentiate a human and an artificial intelligence, first of all, I don't even think you're human if you can't make that differential there. So that's my first concern, is that this dude believes that we can't differentiate between artificial intelligence and humans. If we get that far, that artificial intelligence can mimic a human perfectly, well, then I would say that we're so far advanced, we don't even need to worry about currency at this point. But nonetheless, here's the idea behind it. What he wants to do is create a database of retinal scans, human biometrics that can identify you anywhere and everywhere, and all of this information is privately stored on the blockchain. So what he does, and I believe there's like 20 or 30 cities right now, that he's got these little orbs. They look like an 8-ball, okay? You stare into this 8-ball, and it scans your data. Well, you've got your app, you've got your crypto wallet or whatever, and your data is now stored on the blockchain with your retinal scan. They reward you for identifying yourself based on those biometrics. What's the reward, you ask? Well, that is what is very important to me, because I wanted to know what people are willing to give up their biometric data for. And the current reward is 1 WorldCoin for simply doing it. And then because the program has already started and people are now writing about it, you received 25 WorldCoin in an airdrop. At the current prices, that is roughly, I believe, $50. So if you're looking at, we could look up WorldCoin right here and see what the prices are. It topped, I think, at like $5 or something. Let's see. Currently $2.24. So WorldCoin is $2.24 times the 26 WorldCoin that you are going to get, between $50 to $75. You are going to be sitting on for identifying yourself based on these biometrics. Now, the thing you have to remember, okay, only 1% is currently in circulation. What do we know about a coin that has so few coins in circulation? Think about this. Let's look at the fully diluted market cap right now. You guys are not dumb, okay? I know you're not dumb. I want my banana. Oh, yes, I do. Pudgy, hold on. Give me 2 seconds. You guys, the fully diluted market cap is $22 billion, WorldCoin is not worth $22 billion. The price of this coin, we can see 100x more coins outstanding. So what do you believe is going to happen? The price of this coin, if market cap stays the same, will be decreased by 99+% as more and more and more and more people sign up, dilute the coin with all of these airdrops, and so on. So essentially, those that sign up now and receive 25 WorldCoin, if you do not continue to receive WorldCoin, your 25 WorldCoin that's currently worth about $50 will most likely not even be worth 50 cents as more and more and more people sign up. The idea behind it, and I hate the term universal basic income. I do not believe that you should be making an income for just being a human being. I don't. I think that you should be working. I think you should be generating something good and receiving value because of the value that you give. He wants to do it because the income disparity that will be created because AI is going to overtake human beings is going to cause human beings to receive less income. Therefore, if you just share your biometric data with him, you are going to be receiving $50. He hopes that that $50 turns into 50,000, 5 million, and so on. And all of these people that are willing to do it are believing that as well. So please look, 1% of the supply is circulating. What do you think is going to happen to that price? What do you think is going to happen to the price when 100% of the coins are outstanding? It's probably going to be trading at 1 cent. Budgie! Thank you very much. It's for the humanoid ChatGPT also. The way the bot's running around with instant... Yeah, Gorilla, man. It's beyond some Elon Musk stuff. At least Elon Musk still respects your privacy. So we think, but at least that's what's happening. Pudgy! Thank you very much. You take that banana, Pudgy. You lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Thank you very much for the lick and stick technique. Oh, and... that was for yesterday. This one's for today. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the banana. Once again, you take that banana, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Thank you very much, Pudgy. Absolutely appreciate it. It is a one and done with those bananas. And I want to know right now, Pudgy, is Janie listening? Is Janie listening? Because, guys, if you do not know, Janie is starting her first day of kindergarten tomorrow. And if she is listening, I want all of the bros to wish Janie a wonderful first day of school tomorrow. It's got to be a little exciting. She's got to be a little nervous. Everything's going to be okay, though. And it is going to be the awesome start of a school year. So if Janie is listening, Pudgy, please let us know. And I want all of the bros that are in here to give her a shout out if she is. So wait till Pudgy lets us know in the chat, and don't waste your shout outs if she's not. But if Janie is in here, everybody's gonna shout her out and make sure she has a great day of kindergarten tomorrow. Ayo, what is going on, J-Bone? Which 15-second count is always faster. Dude, I counted at like 4 minutes yesterday. It's all right. Clay with the robots and sharing information. You pretty much explained Westworld. Chris, that is the real world now, okay? I don't know what is going on in the Westworld, but that is what they are doing, okay? I would not sell. Now, clearly, I don't know how hard it is to get biometric data. You know, my phone, it's got facial recognition on it. Clearly, I unlock my phone with the face. I'm not some, like, conspiracy theory guy that is afraid to do fingerprint locks and facial recognition locks on my Samsung phone and stuff like that. But I hate the words universal basic income. I hate like selling my data for the hopes of becoming a millionaire and all of these ideas. So I don't necessarily think that WorldCoin is a good idea. But the guy's got some novelty going on right now, and it's making him a lot of money. It is making him a lot of money. I did not read the articles, but there are a few articles out there talking about how much money he has made based on this WorldCoin and this idea he's got. Yes, she's listening. All right, guys, you know what to do. Make sure that Janie gets a wonderful welcome to kindergarten tomorrow. She is starting. I'm sure she's a little nervous. She's got to be excited. But I want all 30 of the bros right now to throw a little shout out to Janie and say congratulations. Hope you have fun at kindergarten tomorrow and all that good stuff. Pudgy, you awesome, man. Your kid's going to have a great day at school tomorrow. And you, man, you, don't be nervous about her going to kindergarten. It's going to be all right. All of us made it through. Janie's got a great day coming up. Yes, Gorilla Invictus. J-Bone says Janie have a great first day of school. Wow, Pudgy, that's awesome. Hope she loves it from next level. Very nice. We've got Pika Power saying have a wonderful first day of school, Janie. You'll have an amazing time. Ray De Silva says Janie, all the best on your first day. My name is Jeff. Said tell Janie good luck and be brave. Mom and or dad will be there. We'll be back to pick her up. Yes, dude, I'm sure a lot of kids worry about that. School is cool, says Tim. Friends, new friends, learning things, nap time, snacks, finger painting, almost like U6 Marine Corps. Whoa! Yes! Pika, look at this. Your dad might be able to read some of those other comments coming across for you, but Pika sent a little dance for you. Everybody, do it now. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika 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 Peek. Oh wait, this one's for Janie. La Janie Janie, La Janie Janie, La Janie 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 Janie. Janie, 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 La Janie, Janie, La Janie, Janie, La Janie, 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 La Janie, 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 Janie. Last one, Janie, you better do it with us. La Janie, Janie, La Janie, Janie, La Janie, 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 La Janie, 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 Janie. Thank you very much, Pika. Absolutely appreciate that dance. Janie, hopefully you did that dance with us. If not, Dad can clip it out and keep it forever for you. Loving it right now. Pika, you guys are absolutely awesome. Thank you very much for all of the shout-outs to Janie, man. They're cute. They're still coming, and hopefully Janie really does have a great first day at school tomorrow. Westworld Robots, so human-like. It's an amusement park-style place, but rich people only go to shoot the robots and to hook... Hunting robots and hooking up, man. Sounds like a very interesting time, dude. We might be headed that way here pretty soon, Chris. I don't know, man. Jeffrey says, have fun in school. Dang it, we're got in my way of being first. It's all right, Jen. It happens. Have a first day at school. Make some new friends. Yes, Giovanni, saying it straight, man. Have a first day of school. Janie, we do hope that you do have a first day of school tomorrow. Kenneth saying, have a great day in kindergarten. There you go. Clero, so why is Doge pumping with the X sign? And since it will be integrated soon, from what Elon says, where do you see this coin headed, or is this FOMO? This is FOMO at the moment, PS5. A lot of people were very excited about Twitter when Elon took over, and we've seen that on the initial buyout. We've seen it when Elon actually took over. We saw it when he changed the icon to the Shiba Inu coin, or the Shiba Inu dog, a couple of months ago. So we've seen this type of speculation fade off very quickly after nothing happens. So I don't know how long it's going to take Elon Musk and CZ Binance and these guys to go out there and actually integrate cryptocurrency in a major way into the new X platform or Twitter platform. But if they do, yes, it can create value for Dogecoin. If they do, however, why would it create, hundreds of billions of dollars in value for Dogecoin? That's the logical question you need to ask. So I do believe that right now this is a lot of speculation, a lot of excitement, and probably some FOMO. So until we see Dogecoin actually integrated, I would chalk this up to some excitement, speculation, and just people not wanting to miss out in case he does do something big with it. Well, you know what executive decision is being made. What's going on? I thought it was for investors. Wayne, it is, man. It is. But first and foremost, it's for the bros, right? And Pudgy's got a kid going. Pudgy's an absolute bro, man. Here every single day, every single live stream. His kid's going to kindergarten. Tomorrow's the very first day of kindergarten. So I'm telling you right now, there's no amount of money that is more important than showing appreciation for the people who, one, make this channel possible in the first place. So those are the bros. And I will absolutely make sure that every single one of us is I mean, dude, recognized, right? It's just plain and simple as that. So, Janie, hanging out with Dad all day, watching the live stream, enjoying it. Janie's starting kindergarten tomorrow. So that's what is going on right there. And Janie is the future of investing, man. She's the future. So it is still for investors. Cousins had a sleepover last night. She's rubbing her fame on him. Clay talking about me. Nice, Fudgy. Nice. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, have an awesome first day of school, Janie. Ooh, Janie, we got a little magical unicorn coming your way because tomorrow is your first day of school. And Dark Bro says, have an awesome first day. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Have an awesome first day of school tomorrow, Janie. It's gonna go great. Pushy says, I thought it was Pika Pika. I said, yeah, but Pika sent that out for you. Oh, her. Oh, awesome. I love Pika. Yes, she does. And everybody loves Pika. Awesome, Dark Bro. You guys are awesome. Tag on. School starting already? That's what I'm saying. Tony D, it's crazy. I do think that these people in Arizona might be going a little bit sooner than people in Ohio, though. It does seem a little early to start school. I will agree with you on that one, Tony D. But yeah, man, seems as though school is getting ready to start already, man. That's where did the summer go? That's my question. It's going to bite everybody holding Dogecoin in the butt because it won't be Dogecoin. It'll be Baby Doge or Dogelon. That's integrated into the platform, or that jumps in a major way? Which one are you talking about, Ken? I mean, I do think that it's not just going to be Dogecoin or Dogelon or Baby Doge. I think that he's going to integrate crypto into the X platform or Twitter platform or whatever. I think it's going to be crypto as a whole. I think it's going to be fiat that's integrated. I think he wants to create some app where you literally go for everything. You got the choice to open up a Cashapp. Why? You're in Twitter. You got the choice to watch a video on YouTube. Why? You're in Twitter. You want to scroll through and see some pictures on Instagram? Why? You're on Twitter. So I think that he's got very big plans, take over the world type of plans with, hold on, I got to move that. With, no. All right, now that's normal. I just screwed up my whole Streamlabs thing, and now it's in the order that it's supposed to be in. Very sorry about that. We got it going on now. Let's see. Kids are the best investments you can ever make. Literally the future of the human race. Yeah, this other dude, he would make you think, this WorldCoin guy would make you think that it's AI is the future of the human race. But he is wrong. Humans are the future of the human race. That must be the year-round school. Yeah, Kristen, I don't know, but it is very early. It's 103 degrees right now at 1:30. Giovanni, that is insane, man. 103 degrees is way too hot. Let's see. Kenneth, no, please. We want Dogecoin. Claybro, there's this coin named CRPT that went bananas. If you look at the daily chart, why is this? And what is this coin? Any analysis? Love you, bro. Let's check it out. I have no idea. CRPT. I'm not going to know, man. I don't know anything about this coin. Let's pull it up here. All right, so CRPT over the last week showing some major volatility. Over the last month, gone from about 5 cents up to 10 cents, back down, back up to 8 cents. I have no idea why it's so volatile. I mean, it is a very low market cap coin, a $7 million market cap coin. But I can't explain. I have no idea why it would have jumped to those levels. I will say, though, if you look at the all-time graph of this coin going all the way back to 2017, end of 2017, beginning of 2018 here, it does show massive volatility and massive resistance in this like 60 cent level. So this could be a decent coin to trade or ride up to 40, 60 cents. I mean, it has not hit that level just one time. So if you want to trade CRPT, I would say take a look at it, man. It's really moved a lot, bouncing down between 15 cents up to 70, 15 to 70, 15 to 60, 15 to 60, 15 to 60, and down to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents now. So I don't know why it's so volatile. I don't know why it moves so much, but it absolutely does. And it's got decent volume, right? $2 million is pretty decent volume. I don't know where it's tradable. If you want to see where it's tradable, KuCoin and Gate.io. You might have a couple more exchanges out here. Yes, you do. Crypto.com exchange, CoinX, however the heck you pronounce this one, LA Token, BitBNS, HitBTC, and so on. So if you guys want to trade CRPT, you got it right there. But I don't have really any analysis on it except for the fact it's extremely volatile, and I don't know what's causing the volatility. In April, I believe Elon Musk actually made a statement about turning Twitter into Cashapp and making cryptocurrency a payment method on the app, I think for subscriptions and verification, and possibly adding a marketplace graded into the app. Where do we go? Allowing cryptocurrency as payment. Yeah, I mean, Dark Bro, he plans, and I did read a lot of stuff. I mean, I don't remember the marketplace and so on, but I do think that he's going to integrate cryptocurrency in a big way into the app. Fact that I just heard Dogezilla, Donkey Kong, whatever, it just makes me want to stay away. Chris. Donkey Kong would actually be pretty cool. I'd probably buy a Donkey Kong coin. My nephew, he's been playing Donkey Kong on Nintendo Switch. It looks better than it did when we were kids, man. I'm telling you that right now. Is anyone into Casper, CSPR? Answer Tony D as I say, Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Janie, you got another super chat coming from Tim right now. It says, Janie, make friends, have a wonderful day, learn and play. Your life, or you're starting a whole new part of your life. Enjoy it. Ask questions, be creative, be kind and caring. Remember, golly bum, dude, you're gonna make me cry, Tim. Remember, your dad is super proud of you. Have the best day ever. Dude, when you guys see people like this who have never met, just showing words of kindness to people that they have never met, that is something to be very, very proud of. Tim, thank you very much. Janie, he's absolutely right. Don't make me read it again. Pudgy, you can read that one again. And Tim, I'm not saying I don't want to read it again, man, because I don't like it. I don't want to read it again because I want to start tearing up about the support you guys are showing to some 5-year-old out in Arizona right now who literally is starting her first day at kindergarten. So, Pudgy, man, you got to read that one again. And Tim, I'm sorry I'm not ignoring it. I just do not want to... I don't want to show any emotions as we're on this live stream here. So, Tim, man, absolutely appreciate that super chat, dude. Pudgy, read that one all day long to her and let her know, man, that she's got bros all around the stinking world that literally care about her going to kindergarten tomorrow and wishing her the best day ever. That's insane to me that can actually take place and people can care about people that they don't even know. Uncle Tim coming in hot, or coming in clutch, coming in hot with clutch old man advice again. Yes, he is Kombu, and it's some good advice too. Strong words, Ray is correct on that one. Timmy, the man, the myth, the legend. Yes, the bros are awesome. The bros are the best, Tony. It's crazy. Baby Dogecoin is one of the trading meme tokens supported by Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Doge-based meme lovers. Yeah, Baby Dogecoin, and it is also supported by Samantha. You guys remember Samantha? She had her Doge bits, and she was trading her Doge bits all the time. Samantha, if you're out there, we do miss you. But Baby Dogecoin is another big one, and Dogelon Mars, right? That's another one too. It's heavily correlated to Elon Musk and Dogecoin movement. Lebro, when did you look at Dogecoin? Dan, we looked at it at the beginning of the live stream. We can look at it again, man. So Dogecoin currently sitting up nearly 10%, pulling back a little bit over the last couple of minutes. But Dogecoin getting a lot of attention right now because of Elon Musk, because of X and this new app and so on. It has been doing pretty well on itself. just over the last, I don't know, month and a half or so, bouncing off these 5.5 cent lows and coming up now and testing 8.5 cents. So I did not do any of this technical analysis today. This was all on here, but I did move this line just so we didn't have 100 lines on the screen. I moved this line from, it was down here, showing resistance on the way back up at the upper end of these candles, but I moved it up here so we could see a little resistance at the upper end of these candles and the upper end of these candles back here that we had in February. So somebody was asking about some technical analysis, and we're looking at it. Doing very well to break out of this first level of resistance at the lower end of the candles around 7.8 cents. Broke up nicely, broke up quickly after testing it yesterday. Right now, Dogecoin testing this area at 8.5 or 8.2 cents, not a full 8.5, 8.2 cents at the upper end of these candles. If it is able to break, we wicked up a little bit, but we know that wicks are not breakouts. If it is able to break this 8.2 cent mark, I do believe you're going to see some resistance at the 9 cent area. That's an excellent increase, man. You know, you're talking a almost 15% increase from where we are now. So you're talking some phenomenal gains. And if it breaks 9 cents, 10 cents is next. The 10 cent line is pretty significant. So if you're looking at this 10 cent level, it was tested back here maybe when Elon Musk changed the symbol to a Dogecoin. I don't exactly know what this spike was back here. I'd have to go back and look to see what it correlates to. But testing it here, testing that 10 cent level back here in February, and testing the 10 cent area, right, 10 to 10.5 cents, back here in December of 2022. When it breaks 10 cents, it's not going to find resistance again right away. So you can have a nice breakout, potentially back up to 15, 16 cents if it's able to break this 10 cent level. But no, if it breaks on speculation, if it breaks on hype, that is not necessarily a sustainable move. So if you do see a very quick run up in Dogecoin, maybe soaring up to 15, 20 cents or something crazy, if people are speculating that Elon is going to, list it or integrate it or allow it for payments on the Twitter X app, then if it's just a speculation of that idea, it's very likely to fade away. If he does list it and it just creates a huge demand for Dogecoin, then it may be sustainable. But just know that we've tested 10 cents several times, and if we do get to that level once again, we could see a nice breakout up another 50% to 15 cents a coin. But right now, it's bucking the trend of the overall market. Bitcoin has had a tough couple of days here, testing the lower end of support channels, as Dogecoin is breaking out through the upper end of the channels that it's been in. Let's see here. I haven't seen her since then. Pika, we talking about Samantha. Did anyone tell Samantha that was a fake guy? I didn't. I know I didn't. Dark Bro may have. Samantha was from TikTok, so I think Dark Bro may have seen her on TikTok a couple times. Yeah, I don't know if anybody else, if she was in the Discord or not, or if anybody told her. But just, if you guys want to troll, okay, go ahead, troll, but don't do it to the point where you're really making people upset. That's just dumb. Baby Dogecoin for the win. Dark Bro, let's get it. Where Farmy? Tim, Farmy soaring today, man. Farmy was up 10+% earlier. Farmy above 50 cents, sitting at 6.51% higher on the day today. And let's come out here to a daily graph. Might be able to see a little bit better. Dude, Farmy coming up and testing the upper end of this channel. Farmy came up and hit resistance around the 55 cent mark. We've put this level, this is not on the chart from today, but most likely from back here. Farmy coming up and testing this 55 cent level and getting denied off of it. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Farmy come back down and now test 44 cents again and have a decent decline off of the upper end here. If it's able to break up through, man, I mean, you could be making some gains. I'm not touching it, but Farmy actually having a really good day today. I saw some notifications telling me that it was up 10+%, and I'm like, dang, dude, why is Farmy rolling? I'm glad I'm not holding it, though. I'm very glad I'm not holding it. Coming back down to the bottom of the chat, guys. Sorry if I missed you on the way back down. Please get your chat out there again. Pudgy, this is the best time. Wait till you hear all about her day at school. It's the best. Nice, Tim. Nice. Pika, I miss Samantha too. Somebody go find, you know what? I do know Samantha said she was moving, right? So maybe she just got caught up with her new life, new house, all that stuff. You guys go hit her up, man. I don't know if she was in the Discord or not, but go tell her that the bros are looking for her and they want her to come back home. She might come hang out with us. You never know. Samantha's going through a lot right now. I talked to her 3 months ago. Haven't heard from her since. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what she's going through, right? But everybody's going through something. And yes, some people do want to go through it alone and walk that walk themselves. But, dude, when you got 50 bros that got your back, man, I mean, it might be a little bit better to go through something when you got your 50 bros on that. Yo, Jason G, how you been? Hey, can you do G-R-E-E? Yes. G-R-E-E. Why is that familiar? Why is G-R-E-E familiar? What is this one? It's been doing very well over the last month or so. Greenwich Generation. Did somebody bring this up not too long ago? I don't understand why this stock seems so familiar. So, first and foremost, looking at GREE, there's a lot of stocks out there like this, okay? $600, falling all the way down to $1.55. Currently sitting at $661. Its market cap is $40 million. I do not know why it has declined the way that it has. There is a reverse split here, a 1-for-10 reverse split. So this was a $60 IPO price and fell down to about 60 cents, man. Losing 99.9% of its value and then reverse splitting to get back up to the $6 level from the 60-cent mark that it would have been at. Most likely regaining compliance and looking pretty good there. Here's the thing. I don't think that this company, and I don't know what they do, so I could be wrong, strictly based on technical analysis, to me, this would not be a long-term hold. This would be a get in, get out, scalp a trade type of a play. It does result in very nice gains when it does run, but the overwhelming and overall direction, if you asked Janie, Pudgy's kid going to kindergarten tomorrow, if you asked Janie which direction this stock was going, she would tell you down. I mean, it is a very simple graph to look at. The stock only wants to go down in price. Now, like I say, I don't know if they're changing their business structure. I don't know if they are now making revenue and they have never made revenue before. I don't know why they're moving up, why they're moving down, and so on. But the volatile moments where it does make gains are very volatile and the gains are very heavy. I would not be betting right now on this stock reaching back up to levels around $20, $30, $40, $50. But instead, I would imagine that they give up most of its gains, comes back down here, and then does have a nice spike up again, maybe from 50 cents up to $3, $4. So, to me, heavily volatile to the downside. I would be getting in, getting out. If you could take advantage of a little swing, excellent. But you're most likely going to get caught up in an area like this. If you want to hold, you might be buying in on this swing at $35. You double your money, nearly double your money, right? Up to $50 here. And then all of a sudden it starts to sell off. You think it's going to recover, right? It looks good. You think it's going to recover, and then boom, 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 boom. Nothing but down days. You're so far down that you don't care about the jump up to $13. Because if you didn't average down, your cost base is sitting all the way up here at 35. Very likely to never reach that level again. So, like I said, though, I don't know. I mean, we can look at their revenue and all that stuff if you want to see if they're actually beginning to grow now and that they just had a very, very difficult time because of the bear market. But I don't know anything about that, what the company is doing. Let's see here. Claybro, on July 13th, 2023, Shiba had a small spike out. Was it ready to break out? And what gave that spike? Or was it just following Bitcoin off financial advice? No, so July 13th was the Ripple decision, okay? July 13th was the Annalisa Torres's decision in the SEC versus XRP and Ripple case. So the fact that Ripple won that lawsuit and was not considered a security, it inspired the entire cryptocurrency market. So XRP was up like 80, 90%, and then fell back down a little bit. Stellar Lumens was up like 100%. Bitcoin was up, Shiba was up, Doge was up, Ethereum, everything was up on July 13th because that was when the SEC lost their case against Ripple in the sense that XRP is not a security listed on exchanges. Clay, because you said that, I would like to go through a Chris, you can do whatever you would like to do in your spare time, man. But I am highly doubtful that I will be eating any mushrooms other than the ones that I cook on the grill and eat with some steak, man. So I don't know if that will be happening. I can honestly say I would imagine it would not happen. But dude, you are allowed to go on whatever vacation that you want to go on. If you want to take a trip, man, I guess take a trip. Let's see. GREE bot. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Boomstick. That's why it sounded familiar. Because I remember people talking about, it was what, support or something? Like support.com or something? Not Spirit, but support.com. That's why it sounds familiar. But they've just been obliterated over the last, forever. They've been obliterated since they IPO'd. Kumbu, I found another dog, a Boston Terrier, no collar, tags, chips. His name is Frank, and he lives here now. Tim, why can I not find any animals that want to live here, man? I got like raccoons and chipmunks and squirrels and rabbits, but none of them want to live inside my house. They all want to live outside my house. How do you just find a dog, dude? Tim is the dog collector for real. Every time Clay mentions Janie, I think of not another teen movie. Oh, would you look at that? She got her pants on her overalls. She got paint on her overalls. Is that the movie where she goes to the dance with that dude and he like takes her glasses off and now she's beautiful and all of that stuff? Is that movie, or am I thinking of a different one? Nice, Tim. I had a scare with my big dog yesterday. I think it was actually dead and I brought him back. Oh my gosh, Kombu, dang, dude. Nobody likes it when they think their dog's actually dead. That is insane, man. J-Bones. Dogs never screwed me. When you live in the middle of nowhere, you get dogs and cats abandoned at your place. Tim, to me, I don't live technically in the middle of nowhere, right? But I've never seen an abandoned dog anywhere. I'd probably take one in. Cat, no. Like, see, I can't let the dog lick me. So hopefully it would be a dog that doesn't really want to lick me. But the allergies kill me. So I wouldn't willingly, like, go out and buy a dog knowing that I'm going to sneeze the rest of my life. I definitely would not do it with a cat. Cats can stay outside and fend for themselves. But, yeah, dude, if there was, like, a sad little dog sitting on the stoop, dude, come on, you can come in. Yeah, I know you would. Hoorah! Next dog is all yours. Yeah, but he's got to find me, Tim. He's got to find me. That's the thing. Like, he's got to find me. You can't bring him here because then he didn't find me. I wanted him to find, like, walk up on my porch or walk up on my back patio when I'm sitting out there. And then we'll be good. Chipro isn't an animal. He is a resident. Facts on that, Pika. Facts on that. Chipro is... If Chipro wanted to come inside, which he is not in a long time, I would easily let Chipro come inside. He's very well-mannered. He just comes in, eats his food, and goes right back outside. Simple as that. Chipro has full access to anywhere he wants. Linda gotta get ready for work. Dark bro, enjoy your evening, man. Enjoy the work. Get some, dude. Be a good dark bro at work, man, and enjoy it. Some people, they go to work and they hate it, and then everybody else hates being around them. So just enjoy it, man. Libro, news in after I got up. Safe Fed meeting and GDP growth rate. Should I just sleep on it and stay out of the market, or what would you trade crypto-wise? Let's see. News in after I got up. So I don't know. I don't think I understood the first part of that sentence very well there, but right now I'm not adding any new positions before tomorrow. Tomorrow's Federal Reserve interest rate decision is going to move markets. It always does. Let's actually go look at consensus real quick if we can, because I would imagine consensus is looking for a 25 basis point rate hike. We'll find out if it is or not. So, Wednesday, Federal Reserve interest rate decision, yes. So, as you can see, the Federal Reserve interest rate decision is expecting a 25 basis point rate hike to 5.5%. If they do hike interest rates, I don't think we're going to see much of a decline or much of an increase on that news, because everybody's going to be waiting for Jerome Powell to take the stand at 2:30 here. Sorry, I was hovered over this one. At 2:30 here, and address whether or not we're on the right path, inflation's under control, how many more rate hikes, and kind of the Federal Reserve's idea of what's going on right now. Everybody's going to be heavily looking at this. Because of that, I don't want to deal with the volatility. If you want to take a chance and deal with the volatility, crypto could do very well in a situation where Jerome Powell is optimistic about our outlook and says that we may only have one or no interest rate hikes left. If he says that, you're likely to see an increase. If he comes in and says, oh, yeah, somehow we don't have inflation under control and it's only 3% right now, like, I don't understand how he could be bearish or he could have a dovish outlook with inflation being down to 3% now. I mean, he's got to have a decent outlook. So, nonetheless, he could spook the market into selling off, though. To me, it's not worth the risk of opening a new position. So that is up to you if you want to do that. 25 expected. Yes, next level. 25 basis points expected on the interest rate hike, guys. I'll get you back, Clay, bro. They had the Tattoo Music Festival here. We'll be picking up lost animals and used needles for weeks. Oh, my gosh, dude. These people need to keep better track of their lives, man. You can't just lose an animal. You can lose a wild animal, I guess. Like, okay, I don't know all of the squirrels in my backyard, but you can't lose a dog. Don't take a dog to a festival and then just lose it out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. Tim, dude, that's actually wild, man. What happened to Volt? Michael, we need to look up Volt. I haven't seen Volt in a very long time. Trying to get some dry powder position for tomorrow for when JP opens his mouth. Yeah, Tony D, man, if you guys get that set up right now. I don't know how much of a dip you'll really see tomorrow. Some stocks might move down 2 or 3%. Crypto might move down. Shiba Inu coin might bounce down to 750 points per coin or something. I don't think he's going to devastate markets tomorrow. But when he does open his mouth, he usually sees a little bit of a spike down. So if you're looking for a couple percent dip to buy or something like that, you absolutely can. And usually the market shakes off whatever he says relatively quickly. Now, if you want to make 10, 20, 30, 40, 10x, 20x, play some options that are about to expire that day. Yeah, you could lose or make a lot of money very, very quickly. And now, I don't know if you guys saw this or not, but if you've got options level 2 data, meaning you can go in and buy or sell calls and puts, dude, Webull lets you open a position up until 3:40 p.m. on the date of expiration. So you can trade that position with only 20 minutes left in the day. Some of these calls tomorrow are going to be wild on the SPY, QQQ, everything else, basically everything. But the SPY and QQQ are heavily played, and they're going to have expirations that come in tomorrow. Yes, if you gamble, you could go in and open up a position at 3:30 and watch it 10x by 3:40 if it's going the right direction. So just watch out, man. I don't know why they let you buy until 3:30 or 3:40 p.m. now. To me, that's insane. But yeah, they have done that in case you guys were wondering. Let's see, I have to migrate to V2, from V2 to V3 on Volt, and I haven't done it yet. Clay, what's the difference with bullish and dovish again? Haven't heard dovish a lot, really. So not much, Chris, and I don't know why there's the difference, but bullish is more like hawkish, okay? Hawkish is kind of like aggressive, right? And bullish is to the upside. So you've got bullish and hawkish, which are kind of synonymous. A more aggressive approach and a more positive outlook by the Federal Reserve would be considered hawkish. I have no idea why they decided to use bird terms instead of just the bulls and the bears, like keeping it that way. That part doesn't make sense to me, that they decided to do hawkish and dovish. I really don't understand that. But dovish is a more, not necessarily negative outlook, or not necessarily a bearish outlook, but more of a timid outlook, and has more of a bearish connotation to it. So you've got dovish and hawkish when it comes to the Federal Reserve and interest rate decisions. If anybody knows the actual answer as to why it's hawkish and dovish as opposed to just bearish and bullish, I mean, technically we could look that up, because I don't know why, and it doesn't make any sense to me. Okay. So the answer, man, hawks and a hawkish policy are more aggressive in nature. Whether in terms of monetary policy or military stance during a potential conflict, it is named after hawks, the aggressive birds of prey. The opposite are doves and dovish policies, seen more as meek or a little bit more conservative. So I guess that's why they go dovish and hawkish as opposed to bullish and bearish. Like I was saying, it doesn't necessarily mean up or down. It's just more of the, I guess, aggressive nature that they're currently taking. And it does depend on their outlook, right? If they're bearish, they might be more meek and less willing to do things. If they're bullish, they're probably going to be more willing to be aggressive. So hawkish and dovish when you're talking about the Fed and monetary policy. Bullish and bearish if you're talking about the like price of the stock and moving up and down. Okay, I'm going in Bitcoin long and short with a stop loss. Pray for the best. We live only once, because I ain't still got that Shib, Lambo, not financial advice. Absolutely, PS5, man. And I'll say this, going long and short, it might not be a bad idea. That's similar to having a straddle or strangle open up on a stock option play. You're looking for volatility. If you don't know if something's going to move up or down, but you know it will move up or down a lot, one direction, you just don't know which direction, yeah, you could play it both ways. No different than opening up a strangle or a straddle on a stock option there. So absolutely could work out for you, and I hope that it does, PS5. What does it mean to be hawkish? Hawks are seen as willing to allow interest rates to rise in order to keep inflation under control, even if it means sacrificing economic growth. Yes, J-Bones, man. They're just there to get the job done, right? They got that more aggressive outlook. Hawkish and dovish were terms used for politicians during the Vietnam War, according to the way they voted. Tim, yeah, it did have Investopedia did have a military reference there saying that a more aggressive military approach would be considered hawkish, and a more meek or more conservative military approach would be considered dovish. Dumb eagle is the biggest, and a falcon is the most deadly. So, yep, that's why our government's stupid. Yeah, Chris, I'd like that do you know your birds of prey, man? Do you know your birds of prey? The eagle is the biggest, and a falcon is the most deadly. Interesting. I did not know that a falcon is the most deadly bird of prey. Back at it later, bros. Gen G, enjoy your day. Sweet, shiny baby. They're going to break investments up until they have more options than the alphabet people. Tim, you're probably right, man. Oh, gosh. Well, got customers again. Never fails, later, fam. Next level. Enjoy it, man. Saw Osprey, 2 balls, and a golden. I grabbed a huge fish the other day at the lake. Very nice, actually, Kombu. That's very cool. Let's see. So when I think of hawkish, I think of swooping in and grabbing profits and bouncing out. Kenneth, there you go, man. Fed is waiting for 2% inflation. Is that realistic? Yeah. Roulette wheel. 2% inflation is realistic. Before all of this inflation started to get out of control, you were looking at inflation rates like 1.6, 1.9%. So it is realistic to get the inflation rate down under 2%. Or right around 2%. So it is an absolute possibility to see a 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, 1.9% inflation rate. And we actually had that for quite a while. So that does predate like 2021 though, and all of the 2020 money that they printed. So you got to go back to, 2016, 17, 18, 19 before you really see inflation spike out of control. Guys, it is 5:01. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them 10 times. Click the like button once. Leave like 50 comments, all that good stuff. But get your names in the chat right now. We'll do these shout-outs. Clay, my stepdad says, I know a little something about a little something. Well, people say falcons are perfectly built for aerodynamics. Oh, wow. Dude, I don't know. I know a little something about a little something as well, but I don't know anything about falcons. So, Chris, you know more about falcons than I do, man. And I actually, if I saw a falcon and I saw a hawk, I don't know if I'd notice the difference between the two. I really don't. But nonetheless, guys, let's do these shout-outs. PS5, man, enjoy your day. Michael Allen, enjoy your day as well. J-Bones, baby, what did J-Bones say? I got to scroll back up. I saw a peace out to the Diamond Hand something. Oh, that's Pudgy. Oh, no, J-Bones too. Peace out to the Diamond Hand and King Turkeys, baby. Pudgy saying peace out to the Diamond Hand King Taco Tuesdays, baby. Condors are the largest birds of prey. Dang it. Tim knows his birds as well, man. Tony D, enjoy it. Chris, man, see you later. Kombu Pika Power says, peace out of that. I'm going to hand a banana lightning splits, baby. That was a hard one, Pika. I like it. Tony D, man. Kenneth, enjoy it. Michael Allen, Gorilla, see you later, man. Kombu, Mark L, enjoy your day. J-Bones, baby. Miss Angie is waiting for tonight's video. That she is, J-Bones. PS5, see you later, man. Tony D, enjoy it. Tim, see you later, man. Pika, have a great evening. Gorilla, Chris, Roulette Wheel, Chris, Pika, Jeff, Tim, Giovanni, Mark, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Kombu. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, made me choke. But Budgie, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I hope you didn't get an ad there and you actually saw that. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat, man. I did not click on Pudgy. I got that one going. Shout out to you, Ice Bear, Pika Power, Pudgy, Kenneth, J-Bones, Kombu, Michael, all of you guys, and especially you, Janie. I hope you have a wonderful day at kindergarten tomorrow. You are excited the entire day. You have nothing but fun, and it is absolutely amazing. Budgie, it is time to go. Nope, it's not time to go. Is it time to go? Nope, it's not time to go. Pudgy, is it time? Nope, it's not time to go. I thought it was time to go, Pudgy. I thought it was time to go. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Shout out to you, Pudgy. Shout out to you, Janie. Kenneth, see you later, man. J-Bones, Kombu, Michael, J-Bones, Pudgy, and Janie. Enjoy your evening. Kombu, John J, Pika, John J, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, it is time to go. Pudgy says, yep, it's time to go. Janie says, yep, it's time to go. Pudgy says, yep, it's time to go. And Janie says, yep, it's time to go. Pudgy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that one as well, man. Shout outs all around. Kombu, John J, Pika, John J, Kombu, Pika, Kenneth, Kombu, Pudgy, and Janie. We got Michael, all of you guys. I think you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy! Thank you very much for the rose. Oh, that rose smells delicious. Pudgy, thank you very much for the... Oh, that smells delicious. Pudgy, was it for me? Or was it for Janie? I believe that is a rose for Janie to enjoy her day at school tomorrow, to enjoy her first day. And Janie, it's not going to be the last day, so you're going to get very used to school very quickly there. Pudgy, man, absolutely appreciate everything. I do hope that you and Janie enjoy your evening. And shout-outs all around, man. Pudgy, Michael, Pudgy. How's a rose delicious? Oh, it is delicious, man. Roses are you should try one, Pudgy. You should try one. Pika loves to eat roses, yes. Bye, Janie. Bye, Janie's dad. There you go. That's the best. Michael Allen! Hey, Michael, man, you know what it's time for? It's time for a fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom, baby. The most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for that super chat. You guys are killing it today. Bye to Janie, and goodbye to Janie's dad. Goodbye to Michael Allen. Pika, enjoy your evening. Pika, Michael, Pika. What is this, low-key? All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. It's time to go. Oh, Pudgy, it's time to go. Oh, man. Oh, it's time to go, Pudgy. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much to J-Bones for the chickens. And you should invest in whatever makes you happy. Low-key. Whatever makes you happy. Pika. Pudgy, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.